That's B, face out that way. That's B, face out that way. Let's see. Click like, subscribe. Why not? Here we go. How good does that look? Oh, that's beautiful. And you can have a look. Perfect. This is the part I like. I like to see the dovetail come to life when you put the finish on it. Here we go. One section is complete. And notice they're not chipping out or anything like that. They're sitting there beautifully. So this one's going up next, and it goes in here. So I made this fence for it. It's got 2 rare earth magnets in it, which makes it lock onto the side of this guy, like that. Most recent one that I've made, this is my little 4 3/4, I've called it, Mother Roaster style, and wooden base. Now this thing had a little bit of a higher center of gravity and was wanting just on the tip point, and I thought I'm going to lose it if I don't do anything. So I've put a 10mm by 3mm rare earth magnet just here, and it's just below the surface, and it attracts the blade. This is one I built out of recycled timber. In she goes. That's the little low angle 69.5 rider. He goes in next. This is a Falcon 220. This is an Australian block plane. 110 block plane. Up there, the number 5 low angle. Let's see how it goes. Beautiful. Stanley number 6. He goes in next. This joint of fence that I use for the steel planes. I can use this, does the same thing as my joint of fence does for the wooden plane. And he goes in there. I like to have things accessible. He's going in here. This is a little block plane that I made. I've shaped the end like that so it fits in my palm nicely. And that holds that beautifully. These are my soft sanding blocks. Now, they're soft to different degrees, and they are handy. I use a candle and I wax the bottom of the plane. A lot of those small planes, to adjust the blade, I have this little hammer. Very, very happy. Can you smile?